When I split, they call it mitosis, and the kids say there are 6 phases. They both want genes, they both need genes, so I duplicate my chromosomes. Phase with me, change with me, and soon there will be 2 of me. Phase with me, change with me, and soon there'll be 2 of me. Interphase is the phase that comes first, prophase is next. Prometaphase is the third, halfway done. Metaphase comes after that, then it's anaphase. Telophase and cytokinesis, now we're done. Interphase is the phase that comes first, prophase is next. Prometaphase is the third, halfway done. Metaphase comes after that, then it's the anaphase. Telophase and cytokinesis, now we're done. Now let me tell you about interphase. My nucleus contains 2 nuclei. 2 centromes have formed. Now I can duplicate. In the prophase, nuclei disappear. The chromatin fibers tightly coil. Centrosomes move away, and that is prophase. Prometaphase comes next. The nuclear envelope breaks apart. Chromosomes become condensed. Microtubules connect. Interphase is the phase that comes first. Prophase is next. Prometaphase is the third, halfway done. Metaphase comes after that, then it's the anaphase. Telophase and cytokinesis, now we're done. Interphase is the phase comes first, prophase is next. Prometaphase is the third, halfway done. Metaphase comes after that, then it's the anaphase. Telophase and cytokinesis, now we're done. In the metaphase, the centrosomes move, now they're at opposite poles. Chromosomes meet at the equidistant plate from the 2 poles. Interphase is the shortest of mitosis. The chromatids become chromosomes. They move to opposite poles, then the cell elongates. In telophase, nuclei come back. Chromosomes now expand. Cytokinesis pinches them off. Mitosis has ended.